Welcome to this week's virtual farm field trip where we're going to be talking about food systems. My name is Emily, for those of you I have not met, and this is Dolores, named after Dolores Huerta of the United Farm Workers, which is worth a Google if you're looking into food systems. So a food system is all the processes and infrastructure, people, politics, plants, soil, everything that goes into feeding a population, like Dolores and I and you and your community. While we don't have time today to go into all the details about the food system, I encourage you to look into it more. But today we are going to look at how we get food here on the farm, from the greenhouse to the field, to our farmers market, to our community. And we're also going to talk a little bit more about how we are directly interacting with the food system. And as always, we're going to use science, stories, and songs to think a little bit deeply. So stay tuned and join us. Thanks.